Hello and welcome to Suchitra's Biology. Today we are going to see the topic that is the introduction to complement system. So let's start. Complement system needs some proteins known as complement proteins. Complement proteins. These proteins are synthesized by liver. Okay. These proteins are synthesized by liver cells called hepatocytes. Hepatocytes are the cells of the liver. Okay, so complement proteins are synthesized by hepatocytes of liver. Now these complement proteins are found 20 to 30 in number. Okay, 20 to 30 number. They are present in blood. They are present in blood in inactive form. Inactive form. They are present in blood but in inactive form. They are not active. Okay, they are activated when it is needed. So let's see what are the complement proteins. The complement proteins are denoted by capital C. Okay, C stands for complement protein. Now there are proteins like C1, C2, C3, C4, C5, C6, C7, C8 and C9. Okay, now C1 consists of C1Q, C1R and C1S. Okay, it has three C1Q, R and S subunits. Okay, now these two are proteases. C1R and C1S are proteases. They have protease activity. Okay, now let's see how these activate the complement system. So C1 protein or any protein, either C1, C2 or C3, what happens is, suppose this is the C1 protein, it is inactive. Okay, it is inactive and it has C1P, Q, RS. So what happens is that this C1 will break C2 and C4 into, they are broken into C2. This is C2. Okay, so C2 will break into C2A, C2B, and C4 is broken into C4A, C4B. Similarly, C5 will be broken into C5A and C5B. Okay, so every complement protein has A part and B part. It will be cleaved into A part and B part. This A part is smaller fragment. Okay, smaller fragment, and this is larger fragment. It is the common case. C5A will be smaller, C5B will be larger. Similarly, C4A will be smaller, C4B will be larger. Okay. Similarly, C3B will be smaller. Sorry, C3A will be smaller and C3B will be larger. But there is an exception, that is the C2. The C2 has C2A and C2B. But in this case, C2A is the larger one. Okay, larger fragment. And it is small. Okay, this is the exception. So this is important to remember. Rest will be, A part will be smaller and the B part will be larger, but it is opposite in the case of C2. Okay, now let's see about what is the C6 and C7, etc. Okay, C5, C6, C7, C8 and C9 form MAC. Okay, MAC, that is membrane attack complex. We will see what it is in the upcoming videos. Okay. So this was just the introduction to the complement system. And complement system is of three types. Complement system or pathway is of three types. First is classical complement pathway. Okay. Second is lectin complement pathway. The last one is alternate complement pathway. This classical complement pathway is activated by antigen. Ag is antigen, antibody. AB is antibody complex. Okay. So when there is antigen antibody complex, it will activate the classical complement pathway. These two are antibody independent pathways. Okay. They don't need the antigen antibody complex to get activated. These two pathways. Only the classical complement pathway needs antigen antibody complex to get activated. Okay. So this was the basic of the complement system. In the upcoming videos, we will see the detailed part of each one. Okay. So this was all about today's video. If you liked the video, do like it, subscribe my channel. Thank you.